Welcome to this explainer on AI software development for real business operations. Today we're tackling a massive challenge for enterprise leaders, and that is how to successfully transition your teams away from those fragile, hyped-up AI experiments and towards secure, production-ready software using Cognitiv's operational approach.
Okay, let's dive right in. By contrasting a frustration I know we've all felt. You know those flashy, disconnected AI pilots that look great in a demo but absolutely refuse to scale? Compare that with the reality of building true intelligent software. Production-ready AI actually serves your users, it respects your existing workflows, and it meets strict compliance expectations without just breaking down.
So that brings us to the multi-million-dollar question, doesn't it? Why do so many AI projects just stall out at the pilot phase? Well, it usually happens because teams get overly focused on an isolated AI model right out of the gate, instead of focusing on a real operational outcome. When you start with the tech rather than a tangible business problem, like, say, faster decision-making or safer automation, you just end up with an incredibly expensive tool that literally nobody uses.
Section 1. Designing for business outcomes.
To design for real impact, you have to map AI directly to your business processes from day one. You can't just force it into a workflow where it's going to create some extra annoying review burden for your team. With Cognitive's process, you start up front with an impact analysis that is tied to measurable goals. Then you lock down architecture and risk, really evaluating your data readiness and security. From there, you move straight into rapid implementation, and finally, launch and optimize, which includes continuous monitoring and actual user feedback.
Section 2. Enterprise AI software capabilities.
Now, this is where we completely ignore the hype. The specific AI capability you choose to deploy should be based entirely around your unique use case, your data environment, and your risk profile. Cognitive brings a highly practical toolbox to the table. Whether you need NLP for document analysis, computer vision for quality control, generative AI, or just custom machine learning systems. Listen, it is never about AI for the sake of AI. It's about matching the exact right capability to your specific operational friction.
Section 3. Integration and rapid delivery.
Because let's be honest, absolutely none of those fancy capabilities matter if they cannot connect with the platforms and data flows that are already running your business. Standalone AI just creates more silos, whereas production AI connects seamlessly. Cognitive's Rapid framework makes sure this happens by maintaining strict project scope and quality through secure APIs, while guaranteeing decision visibility via controlled data access. It essentially acts as a perfect, secure bridge between cloud deployment infrastructure and your existing CRM or ERP.
Section 4. Governance and investment planning.
You know, building responsible AI means you have to implement controls that actually match your real-world workflow risks, and that directly informs how you should plan your investment. By evaluating data readiness, integration complexity, security, and model behavior up front, you align your budget with reality. There's no guesswork here. This ensures that your initial proof of value actually features a production-minded architecture, laying down a stable foundation for enterprise scaling and continuous support, rather than just becoming throwaway work.
As you look to scale your enterprise, make sure to avoid the hype and stay laser-focused on pragmatic execution. Bring your workflows and your data paths clearly into focus, and build AI software designed for real users, real systems, and measurable business operations with Cognitive. So take a hard look at your current roadmap. Are your AI initiatives genuinely built to scale with your operations, or are they destined to remain just fragile experiments?